Subway Surfers. Okay. Alright, we're gonna open it up. God, why does it have to take so long? Okay. Alright, we're in. I hate this. Oh my god, just go away. I don't want this. Let's collect everything. Okay, alright. Alrighty, okay. How many keys am I gonna get? Wow. Alright, that should be the last one. Okay, let's see if I can get, oh my god, an ad for some. Okay, let's just skip it. Let's look at if I can get some boards. First, let me open this. Let's look at some, if I can get some. Oh, no, wrong shop. No, yep. No, that's the wrong. Now we're gonna find some boards. Okay, we gotta get the starboard. I don't know why I haven't gotten it yet. 45 keys. Can't get that. That's like an event. 45 keys. Okay. Well, I guess all of it. Okay. Well, I can't get any, which is too bad. So sad. Alright, let's do the no coin challenge. I'm super good at this. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Oh, thank God. I'm super happy right now. Okay. I would have just died. Alright. Okie dokie. Oh my god. I was so close. I am so confused on the word challenge. Why is it Kathy? Okay, that was a pretty fast one. Ooh. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh my god, yes. Thank God. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. God, wait. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna skip it. Alrighty. Let's go. Minutes later. Okay, we're doing super good. Aw, I died. No. Alright, we're fine though. Okie dokie. This is bad.
Let's watch TV cause this is weird.
Bored in a house and I'm in a house bored. Bored in a house and I'm in a house bored. Bored in a house, bored in a house, bored. Bored in a house, bored in a house, bored.
Welcome back to I Am Bored with Laserbeam Quarantine Edition. As always, we're curing our boredom with TikToks of people doing dumb crap. Our focus today is the weird things people are doing in isolation. There's a thing called Stockholm Syndrome. When you're locked in a place for a long enough time, you start doing weird crap. I have started growing a mustache. Clearly, I'm going crazy in isolation because I think it looks good. So, as always, I've gone to Twitter.
We are sorry to interrupt your television. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for this mobile coverage area. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
// à 17h35 heure avancée de Est le dimanche, Environnement Canada a émis une alerte de tornade pour cette zone de couverture mobile. Mettez-vous immédiatement à l'abri si un phénomène météorologique menaçant.
Gotten a bunch of submissions from you, and I have collected an archive of the best content to cure